morning.
It's 52 degrees outside.
It's so cold. Oh, brr. Happy Friday. Yay. Happy Friday, girls. I wanted to walk, but it's just like, I just can't. It's so cold. And I know in like an hour, the temperature's going to go up like 5 degrees, but I just don't want to be freezing cold. On a walk this morning.
So, you guys, Mommy picked me up from school late yesterday. Why? Like, you guys are asking why. She's always there for me. Well, she got stuck in the garage. The car could not get out at all. Mommy tried to pull it up, but she couldn't.
Did you say try to pull the car out?
No, she tried to pull the garage up. To get it up. But the garage is stuck closed. It's shut. So we're going in and out through the front door, which is not good. Take Aaliyah to school. Time to take Aaliyah to school.
Are you ready for the day, Aaliyah?
Yeah.
You did a good job on your homework.
Look at how many bubbles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
9 bubbles. Yay.
Those are bubbles. I thought they were balls.
He's blowing bubbles. Now time to drop off Selena. All right, Selena, have a good Friday, okay?
Okay. Get an A on my spelling.
Yes, you know all those spelling words, okay?
I'm a fat marshmallow.
You're a purple marshmallow. Kids are in school. Check. Now it's time for me to work out. I really wanted to walk the girls to school, but I just wasn't feeling the weather. Now that the sun is out, it feels great because it's the same temperature that it was when I left the house like 45 minutes ago or like 40 minutes ago. So it's the same temperature, but it feels better out because the sun is up now. The garage door broke yesterday. One of the springs that lifted up popped. So that's fun. So we got to get that fixed. I had to call Ray so he could come home and help me open the garage door because without the spring, it's so freaking heavy, you guys. Like, OMG. I just did my workout. See all the sweat? Yes. Got it done. It was like an arm, chest, and back day. All right, so here's what's going on. It's opening, but it's not clipped. We had to detach it by pulling the string here. And this is the situation. I heard a pop yesterday and I didn't know what it was. And it took me until the afternoon to realize that the spring popped right there. See, here's our other spring and it's good. All right, well, it's been a few hours and the garage door guy came and it's all done, yay! So, as you can see back here, it's not broken right there anymore. So, yes, I'm so excited.
Okay, Aaliyah. I have something behind my back just for you. Okay? I'm gonna open it. What's in there? I know. It's that big. Are you happy? Yeah. It's a clown sign. Let me see. How beautiful it is. I got a diamond. You guys, this diamond is real. It cost a lot of money. What's in there? We're gonna decorate the tree. Told you, you guys. Oh my gosh, I made this.
All right, got the girls from school. They're here watching Noelle on the Disney, or on Disney Plus. And we just got through decorating our tree. We got all of our random ornaments like Lego pieces and a melted snowman and this little tree the girls made, ornament Selena made. Some of my very beautiful, there's 1, 2, 3, and the 4th one's down there. Very beautiful, expensive ornaments mixed with Lego pieces and arts and craft ornaments, and it's just it's kind of like us. We got our handprints that we did a couple years ago. Last year we bought Tinkerbell as our special ornament. I don't think we ever wrote the year on it.
That's mine.
No, we got that as a family. So this year we're gonna do letters. Each of our letters we're gonna paint and decorate them. So that's our tree.